We are back at CVS for the start of a brand new 2-week sales ad. We have brand new deals going on this week. It's still going to be kind of like the beauty event. So the past 2 weeks, the last ad, we had the Epic Beauty Sale where we got a 10 off 30 beauty coupon. And then this 2-week ad, we still have like a beauty ad going on where there's just more beauty and personal care deals than normal. There are quite a few high value digital coupons and high value extra care bug promotions that we have going on. So I'm really excited to go over all of that with you guys. And I am going to be posting a rolling extra care bug short form video here on YouTube Shorts as well as on my other short platforms, my short form platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So make sure you're following me at kaylakoupons to see that my channel is spelled over there, and looking out here for that rolling extra care bucks video where I'm going to start with no extra bucks and show you your true out of pocket rolling in 4 different transactions, picking up a ton of stuff for as low out of pocket as possible. And heads up, you guys, there will be no Sunday video next week. I will be on vacation out of the country. I'm going to be gone from the 17th to the 27th. So once I am back, I will be posting a video for the new 2-week ad that starts 2 weeks from now, but this will be your only video from me for this 2-week ad. So all these deals are good for the full 2-week span of time. So you guys can come back to this video next week. I'll be posting some photos and videos of what I'm doing on vacation over on my Instagram. So if you're interested, make sure you're following me on that. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. So we have a really great deal on e.l.f. Cosmetics because we got a free Pout Lip Pen CRT this week. And what's great about it is it's taking off the full value of $9 when you spend $15 on e.l.f. Cosmetics, but it includes the cost of the lip pen. So if you grab the lip pen for $9 and $6 in other e.l.f. Cosmetics, for example, 2 lip liners at $3 each, the CRT will take off $9 and you'll end up paying just $6 for $15 worth of e.l.f. Cosmetics in total. EcoTools and Real Techniques are buy one, get back a $5 extra buck, and it's working on all products, including the cheaper sponges. So you can grab this EcoTools sponge for $6.19. You'll get back your $5 extra buck, making it just $1.19. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab one of the baby lips at $5.79 and one of the Fit Me blushes at $9.19, totaling $14.98, and use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, a $2 Maybelline Digital, and a $3 Maybelline Digital, and you'd be left to pay $6.98. Getting back your $6 extra buck would make both products just 98 cents. CoverGirl Cosmetics are also buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. So if you grab 2 of the twin brow pencils at $6.29, totaling $12.58, you can use a $4 CoverGirl CRT and a $3 digital coupon for eye products, and you'd end up paying $5.58, earning back your $6 extra buck, and that would make 2 of them a 42-cent moneymaker. I did see that some people had a separate $2 eye digital, so if you had that, it would make it a $2.42 moneymaker. L'Oreal Facial Care is spend $45 before coupons and you get back a $20 extra buck. So you could grab this Revitalift Night Moisturizer for $30.39 and then pair it with one of the cleansers at $14.99. And those two would total $45.38, and you can use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT as well as a $5 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT that we have and a $3 digital coupon for the Revitalift. You'll pay $32.38, get back your $20 extra buck, making the $45 in L'Oreal Facial Care just $12.38. You could also just go ahead and use your $5 CRT off any L'Oreal Facial Care on the toner at $8.59, and it would make it just $3.59. If you like Aveeno Facial Care, it's spend $25, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab this daily moisturizing face lotion at $13.79 and the Positively Radiant Scrub at $11.19, totaling $24.98, and use a $5 digital for the moisturizer and a $3 digital for the cleanser, and you'd be left to pay $16.98, and then you get back your $10 extra buck, making both products just $6.98. The 5-ounce Eucerin lotions are $4.99 and buy one, get back a $3 extra buck, making it just $1.99. I do know some stores have $3 tear pack coupons, so look out for that because that would make it a moneymaker. And the same deal applies to the 8.4-ounce Nivea lotions as well. We have a great deal on Olay body washes this week. They're $6.99 and spend $20, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab 3 totaling $20.97 and use a 7 off 3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $13.97, and after getting back your $5 extra buck for spending $20 before coupons, it'll make your final cost just $8.97 for 3 of them. That is like just $2.99 each, which is a great deal for Olay. The soft soap body wash and Irish Spring are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So if you grab the soft soap at $6.59 each, totaling $13.18, you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $9.18, making your final cost just $5.18 for 2 after the $4 extra buck back. Heads up that if your store carries the Copper Tone lip balm, they're $5.99 each, and they are participating in the buy 2, get back a $10 extra buck deal on Copper Tone, which would make your final cost for 2 of them just $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. Garnier Hair Care are buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck and 2 for $8. So grab 2 and use a 4 off 2 digital. You'd pay 4, get back your $2 extra buck, making 2 of them $2 or $1 each. Monday hair care products are buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck and buy 1 get 1 50% off. So if you grab the leave-in conditioners at $6.99, 2 of them would total $8.98, and we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $5.98, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.98 or 99 cents each. If you are brand loyal to Shea Moisture, it's spend 20 get back a $10 extra buck, and we do have a $2.50 digital coupon, so that'd be over 50% off after coupon and extra buck. Gillette and Venus razor cartridges are buy 1 get 1 50% off and spend 30 get back a $10 extra buck. So you could grab 2 of these 4 counts at $22.79 of the Venus, totaling $34.18, and use a 6 off 24 Venus CRT as well as a $5 digital for the cartridges. And you pay $23.18, get back your $10 extra buck, making 2 of them $13.18. If you wanted to grab 2 of the Gillette cartridges, you can grab 1 of the Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Glide at $25.79 and then 1 of the Fusion 5s at $22.79, totaling $37.18. Using an 8 off 35 Gillette CRT and a $5 digital for the Gillette cartridges, you pay $24.18, get back your $10 extra buck, making the 2 $14.18. If you do not have the CRTs or you wanted to grab 1 of each, you can grab 1 of the Gillette and 1 of the Venus at $22.79 each, totaling $34.18. Use a $5 digital for the Gillette and a $5 digital for the Venus, and you'd end up paying $24.18. Getting back your $10 extra buck for spending $30 before coupons would make both of them $14.18. The Gillette and Venus disposable razors are buy 1 get 1 50% off and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. The cheapest ones at my store for each of the Gillette and Venus are $8.59, so grabbing 2 of them would total $12.88. We have a $3 digital for the Gillette and a $3 digital for the Venus disposable razors, so you'd pay $6.88, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them just $2.88. The Colgate and Tom's toothpaste are on sale for $5.96 each and buy 2 get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the Tom's totaling $11.92 and use a $3 digital coupon for 1 of them and then a Coupon 24 app coupon for the other one. And you would be left to pay $5.92, getting back your $6 extra buck, and that would make 2 of them free plus an 8-cent moneymaker. And the exact same deal applies to the Colgate, the exact same digital coupon and Coupon 24 app coupon work, and that would also be an 8-cent moneymaker for 2 of them. Select of the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrushes are $4.96 and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $9.92 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $6.92, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.92. The all laundry detergent are on sale for 2 for $10 and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So doing that would make your final cost $5 for 2 or $2.50 each. I did see some people had $1.50 Ibotta rebates. So with that, it would make your final cost just $2 for 2 or $1 each. I did not have the Ibotta rebates, unfortunately, but if you do, it's a great deal. The Big Purex detergent are $9.99 and buy 1 get back a $4 extra buck. So that makes your final cost $5.99 for 1. And if you do have the $2 Ibotta rebate, it would make your final cost $3.99 for 1. Again, for some reason, I did not have the laundry Ibotta rebates this week. The Suavitel as well as the Ajax are buy 1 get 1 50% off and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 of the Suavitel at $3.59 each would total $5.38. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, and that would make 2 of them just $2.38 for both. Bactine products are buy 1 get back a $5 extra buck. My store only carries the more expensive products, but if your store carries the cheaper like $6 to $8 products, you'll get back your $5 extra buck, and that would be a great deal. The Kellogg's cereal are $1.99 each on sale, and we do have a $1 off 2 digital coupons, so that would make your final cost for 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Select of the cookies and crackers are 2 for $5 and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck, so that would make your final cost for 2 of them just $3 or $1.50 each. All right, so I ended up doing 5 transactions today. I did 4 rolling transactions into each other and then 1 on a separate card. So for this first one, I started with the EcoTools sponge. That was cheap, $6.19, buy 1 get back a $5 extra buck, and then I did the CoverGirl deal. All the coupons came off. I paid $11 in total out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. And then I got back $11 in extra bucks. It was $5 for the EcoTools and $6 for the CoverGirl. So this ended up being a cost of a little bit under $1 rolling. Then I took that $11 in extra bucks and rolled it into the Olay deal. My 7 off 3 digital came off and I used those $11 in extra bucks, paid $2.97 out of pocket after rolling those extra bucks, and then got back my $5 extra buck from spending $20 to roll into my next transaction. I rolled that $5 in extra bucks into the Eucerin deal. So that was $4.99, my $5 extra buck adjusted down, and then I got back my $3 extra buck for buying one of those Eucerin lotions. And then I took that $3 extra buck and used it with my $5 L'Oreal CRT to get the 8.59 toner. So it was just 59 cents. So in total for these 4 transactions for rolling extra bucks, my out-of-pocket cost in total, or like my net cost, was $15.33 for everything in all 4 transactions. And finally, on a different card, I did the Gillette and Venus cartridge deal, buy one, get one 50% off. I grabbed the 2 at $22.79 and then used the 2 $5 digital coupons. And then I used $16 in extra care bucks that I had on this account to paid out about $8 in cash out of pocket. So in total, it was $24 between extra bucks and cash. Then I got back my $10 extra buck from spending $30. So this transaction had a net cost of just $14, which is not bad for getting 2 4-count cartridges. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. Again, I will not be posting one next week for the second week of the ad because I will be on vacation, but I will catch you guys for the next start of the next 2-week ad in 2 weeks.